everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy, and delicious dinner idea that you and your family will surely enjoy. I'll show you how to make salmon patties using canned salmon and a dipping sauce called Hot Sauce Aioli. Salmon is a great source of heart-healthy omega-3 fats and so many other nutrients that help us stay healthy. Then I'm going to make some sauteed kale. Kale is a dark green leafy vegetable that is packed with folate and iron, which are very important nutrients, especially during pregnancy. This meal is nutritious, delicious, and budget-friendly. Plus, all of these ingredients are easy to find at your local grocery store and most dollar stores. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take a can of salmon, drain it, and put it in a bowl. Then I'll use a fork to break it into flakes. You can remove the skin and bones if you prefer, but they are soft and safe to eat, and they can give you an added boost of calcium. In another bowl, I'm going to crush some whole wheat crackers into crumbs, or you can use plain breadcrumbs, whatever you have on hand. Now I'm going to chop some bell pepper and celery. You want those finely chopped because the patties cook quickly, and if the vegetables are too big, they won't cook enough and they will still be crunchy. I'm also going to chop some green onions. Once the eggs have been beaten, I'm going to add them to the salmon along with crackers, milk, bell pepper, celery, green onions, garlic powder, and no salt Creole seasoning. Mix everything together until it's combined. Everything's all mixed up, so let's make it into 9 patties, about 1/3 cup each. Now that I have them all shaped, I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil in a skillet on medium heat. To cook the salmon patties, we're going to add them to the oil and brown them on both sides until they are cooked thoroughly. This is going to be about 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a non-stick skillet, this will work best, but be sure to let the pan and the oil cool slightly between batches so that you don't burn the patties. To make the hot sauce aioli, I'm going to add light mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and hot sauce to a bowl and mix together. This can be served on the side as a dipping sauce or drizzled on top of each patty. For the sauteed kale, I washed each leaf and cut the toughest stems out of the center. You can either tear the leaves or cut them into smaller pieces. In a large skillet or pot, you will heat up a little vegetable or olive oil on medium heat, then add your kale, some low-sodium vegetable or chicken stock, whatever you have on hand, and you can even use water if you don't have stock. Then add some garlic powder and a little salt. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Take the cover off and continue cooking until most of the broth has cooked away. And there you have it, an easy, heart-healthy dish that the whole family will love. To complete this meal, I'm serving this dish with a side of pineapple that's canned in its own juices, topped with a little reduced-fat cheddar cheese and a whole grain roll. Now we have our fruit, dairy, and grain, meeting all of the food groups of my plate. Leftover salmon patties can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 2 days or in the freezer for 3 months. And the hot sauce aioli can be stored covered in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. The recipe for these salmon patties can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more delicious healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.